me and my brother have come to Sandbox today. I believe the security told me upon entry that I'm not allowed to be filming, so I'm bringing you guys in on a little secret. I'm joking. Sandbox is really nice. And by really nice, I mean in terms of not so much the vibe, because to me, I just don't feel like I'm in a Ghanaian beach club, to be honest with you. The aesthetic is nice for pictures and everything. Trust me, if you come here, you'll have banging photos. But in terms of the actual vibe, I don't know if I'll recommend this place. I do know this place does get popping in the evening though. So we might come here one of these evenings, who knows. For now, we just came for brunch. We finished our food. I got a burger, a fish burger and chips, and my brother just got fries. My brother said he didn't like the fries. I thought the fries were all right. Your fries were stale?
Yeah, that proper style.
Oh, sorry.
Like, it was, you know when the fries got fresh off the pan, like, you know about it.
Oh,
fries,
okay.
They were not fresh. Like, it tasted stale.
But my burger was nice. I had a crispy fish burger. It was very nice. The pool is closed. The lady told us they don't even have access to a beach. A lot of people come here just to take pictures, we've noticed. It's a very nice place if you want to take pictures. The pool is really, really nice. Like, I wanted to dip my feet in the pool. I got the house right, and so far, since I've been in Ghana, the best house right has been at Bayview Village, because their house right is nice and sweet and crisp. This house right is it's got a bit of a sour aftertaste. It's still alright though.
So it's a bit raspy. Raspy.
We're sitting in one of these cabanas. We're right next to the pool that's closed. And it's overlooking the beach, so it's really, really nice. We don't know if we're gonna head to the main beach, Labadi. I'm sorry, but I hate the main beach. There's too many people trying to hustle on that beach, and it gets annoying. I just remembered, I forgot to update you guys on my skin infection. My skin infection has officially cleared up. This is basically my chest area. So it's all cleared up. I'm not sure if you guys can see my back. There may be a few scars. I'm not too sure because I don't have eyes on the back of my head. My mum says that my back has cleared up. Let me know. I'm back. Yes, glowy skin. Overall, what works for me was the Sevoderm powder and that penicillin cream. If you have a bacterial skin infection or you think you're coming down with some sort of skin issue problem and you're in hot and humid weather, I would recommend getting Sevoderm powder. It's in a green bottle. It's medicated dusting powder, so it's meant for skin problems and skin issues. I would recommend using that to dry it out during the day, and then before you go to bed, use penicillin cream instead of the powder. If you're allergic to penicillin, I'm so sorry, dear. I don't know what to recommend for you. I'm honestly so gassed. I'm so happy that it's cleared up. I have been getting heat rash, but that's normal. Like, I've been getting heat rash since I was a kid. It comes and it goes. That's why my mum's always trying to remind me to carry my handkerchief, to use body wipes. I don't think I have one right now. I did last week, but it's all gone now because I've been using body wipes during the day. And, you know, I've just been using my regular skincare routine. If you guys want a skincare routine for hot and humid weather, do let me know and I shall record that for you. I think it's called a carport, no?
Yeah.
Okay, my grandma's just going, yeah. So today we are putting up a carport and we're going to use it for both the car and also to protect the generator because we didn't cover it before and now it's started to rust. So we're going to show you guys.
Cool.
As you can see, they've already put the structures. This is basically the whole structure of the carport, and I think they will just put the material on after. But don't quote me on that, I'm not too sure. We're gonna go see the Apunchis. Do you know what? I'm so upset that I didn't get it on footage, but they actually came to me like I was a shepherd. Good afternoon. They actually came to me like I was a shepherd. I'm not even gonna lie to you guys, but I'm gonna try to see if it'll happen again. did not know there was a 200 cedi note. Clearly, I'm not rich, otherwise I would have been knowing this. But look, it looks like a cedi. It's the same colorway as a cedi. So guys, be careful. You may think, oh, is that a cedi on the floor? It might be 200 cedis on the floor or wherever. I just thought this would be nice to know. Me and my brother are at Kempinski. Here's my big bro.
I'm trying to upload something. Like, what's going on there?
We're just chilling at Kempinski for lunch and we'll probably dip our feet in the pool, who knows. So we're actually just chilling. We're gonna see if Kempinski do fried yam because why is Kempinski's menu so European? I don't even want to sound like that person, but
No fried yam.
literally, the only thing we're seeing is like jollof, chicken shawarma and things like that in pizza, and we want the fried yam, the tilapia. That's going to be regular chips.
No, they must do yam, man.
Yeah, so we're going to ask them if they do fried yam and then see if we can get fried yam and maybe some like fresh fruit juice. We'll see what they have available and what we're willing to buy. We'll catch up with you guys later on. For now, we're just at Kempinski. We just reached, so we're chilling and see you guys soon.
Why they like those things like that?